Yeah! Yep. Keep watching, Gabriel. Watch him. Shoot him. God damn it. All right, come up. Watch our right, or left. Where are they shooting at from? Keep your head down, Devin.
Hey, can I run up?
Go. Watch out, keep your head. Squirrel, watch your right, he's like right at the corner of the building. Alright.
Hey!
What?
Where were you shooting before?
Oh, that's the window. Oh, shit. God damn. Call that. Really? Right. Try to move out on the outside with
I'm gonna go right here so I can go right
with Steven. We're kind of pinned up right here, so yeah, go to the other side. Shit. Watch your back. Just watch this little opening.
Hey, you can get the guy right here.
I know he is. I can't see him. Predator! Try to move up. Son of a bitch. I'm like, oh, shit.
Hey, I'm gonna move up because I can't go nowhere.
Go, Devin, go! Watch this.
Oh, I got him.
You better hurry up then.
You gotta tell me none of those hit you. Going straight in front.
We'll watch this building up front. Try to get out. Bitch.
Hey, don't move.